Hi Famies, I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. To those who have subscribed, thank you very much, Famies. May God bless and increase you. Now today we are cooking potato, mashed potato, but on another level. Okay, I know you know mashed potato. I know everyone knows mashed potato. I know when we were kids, when we were being taught how to cook, the first thing that we managed to master was is the things like mashed potato. But this time around, we need mashed potato inside. And remember, mashed potato can also be extremely dry. So the one that we're going to cook today is a mash that you can even eat it alone without maybe your meat or gravy, something like that. So first of all, you're gonna peel your mash. Of course, you saw that I've peeled the same way that they peel you this December, child. You're about to get peeled, okay? Make sure that you don't lose your skin. All right. Take care of yourself this festive. Don't let them peel you. January is coming. All senses will be back, okay? Don't lose your sense, girl. Don't lose your sense, my brother, I beg. So you're going to peel your mash, cut it into pieces that you feel like they are okay. Usually I opt for smaller pieces because it takes maybe 10 minutes to boil, but then this time around I was in a hurry and I wanted to just get done and finish. Okay, leave them a little bit inside the water just to take the whitish stuff. I think it's the starch or whatever, I don't know. Then you're gonna take your eggs. For those who don't eat eggs, I'm sorry, I don't know how are you going to do this one. I know there are people who don't like eggs. I know there are people who don't eat eggs, so I don't know, maybe we'll think of another recipe. Yeah, and then wash your eggs, put them together and let them boil. They didn't want to close. I'm like, I'm a force things the same way that your force things are. Kuro ya bana relationship yo right thakane wa force wa kiteletsa dilo wa tlhakantsa dilo ba bona ra dile kane mara I'm like, I'm gonna be like you guys. I will force things here. So oka sto force dilo ko di poto. I mean, ko relationship wa force relationship mara wa palla go force mo divo lena enga. I mean, le re keng nkane ya le shumisha nka kwa tshwantse a le shumishe mo di poto tshwantse le shumishe mo di poto. Anyway, while your potato is boiling together with your eggs, we're going to do this now. This is apple juice. We're going to add your apple juice. We don't show brands. We try by all means not to show brands. Okay, going to take your mixer. I don't know if it's a mixer or a blender or what. And I told you long time ago, as long as something is working for me, I don't care about the name. You will write the name alone there by yourself. Now use this thing. I don't know, is it a blender, a mixer, whatever you're calling, a crusher, whatsoever. I don't care, as long as I can get the results. So first of all, we're going to have lemon juice. What is this? Cream. Yes, cream. And then mustard. Like I said, if you are regular for me, I don't like mustard. I don't like the taste. I said it to you that I'm trying to fall in love with it, but I think I'm buying it for the last time. I don't like it, period. Okay, back to our pot. You see everything is coming all right, but then the girl decided to say, I'm a peperiza. Shut up, let it be under the cup. You open your mouth like that day, yeah? I know you, my sister. You don't know how to shut up. So yeah, I've removed the eggs, of course, put them in the ice cold water. And then on the other hand, pour your aromat, chela. Hey, Lena. Put aromat inside your boiled mash. You see, it looks good already. The color is okay. It doesn't look, it looks proper. It's quite okay. And then you start to mash, okay? You start to mash it. You mash it nicely. Make sure that you mash it properly because we don't want to have some remains like whereby you didn't do it properly. Please mash it. Mash that potato. Mash it. Take out anger issues. You need to also know that when you are cooking, you are dealing with your other anger when chaka mesh kana go tshwantse o kiteletse mesh because ba o dile style ba wa ke dije ba rawa December ke a o tjea ke hai jikijiki motho ha sa lo ena ka December. So after there is parsley as well. Remember, it's what is this? Lemon water, parsley, cream. What is this that I hate? That is butter, by the way. This thing that I hate, the yellow one, mustard and fresh parsley. You blend them, you mix them together. You see, it gave us this sauce. It gave us this sauce. You're going to put it together with your butter inside your mashed potatoes. Remember our eggs? We just mashed everything together. We just, blended everything together to give us this beautiful sauce. I don't know if it's a sauce or a what, but it did the things. Then you start to mix nicely with your inside your potato. Your heat should always be very low. This time around we are not cooking, remember, so you cannot do this mixture while your heat is on 6 or 7. Put it on number 2 or something, and then voila, you see, it doesn't even show that there's some mixture and eggs inside, but it was very, very, very nice. And then because we like things in this house, we had it with lettuce, okay, and totlo. Tswana people know this type of meat. I would say, is it crushed meat? I don't know. Totlo. The video is coming for totlo, and a little bit of cream. We did mushroom sauce on the other side, so we had lettuce, at least to balance, to have a little bit of greeny, and then our mash, a little bit of sauce, mushroom sauce, which I did off camera, and we ate it with totlo. Totlo, it's this meat that you're seeing. It's basically your beef meat. It's your beef, and then you cook it and overcook it, then so that's how we had our, I don't know, I can't remember if it was supper or dinner, but you can tell that everything looks good, proper. Trust me, with this potato, everyone's gonna call you. It's going to call you, girl, when you're coming back home. Especially Mugele, if that guy did the right thing and you're going there for the first time, don't just go there with an ordinary ordinary potato. That might disrespect you. Kgalebela nyajo go nyana tla mo lebella content o di le tsapane le lengwe le le re motho a le tsebe le tsapane le lengwe la o di ratswa la thakathakanya ntshe tšhelete ya pension a o fe yona. Anyway, thank you so much, Famies, for watching. I pray that you are well in this festive season. Protect yourself, protect your kids, look after yourself, pray hard, girl. Until we meet again, thank you very much for subscriptions, for liking this video. I appreciate